Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to mix a Hokkaido cocktail. Now, we're going to build this in our 16-ounce cocktail glass, so we're going to start off by adding our ice. Then we're going to measure in equal parts of gin and sake. Now, we're going to use a plum sake, but you can use any type of cold sake that works out for you. So for 2 parts, or about 2 ounces, it's going to look right about to there on the actual glass. From there, the 2 ounces is going to be an 8 pour. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, we're going to get our cocktail glass ready. We're going to mix all of our ingredients. Shake vigorously to water it down a little bit. Those gin cocktails tend to be really strong. And then strain directly into the martini glass, just like so. Always remember, on a drink like that, to add in your stir stick. And that is a Hokkaido. Enjoy.